tutorial on this middle shake.
Get your clip ready and add the adjustment layer. And adjust the adjustment layer as I did. You can do it as per your requirement, as big as you want. After this is done, we will rename it to Shake. It is up to you. You can do it, but I am doing it for understanding. You can click on the plus icon and go to Effects. Now click on Shake and you will see two options named Shake New and Shake Old, and you have to add Shake New. Now click on the border and add Mirror. Click on Parameters and some options will open. Click on Direction and set the value of the X direction to 0.20 and keep the value of Y as 0.35. You click on Direction Randomness and set the value to 0.65. Click on the More option and some options will open. Now click on Seed and set its value to 2.50. Click on Angle and set angle to 130 degrees. Click on Smoothness and set value 0.61. Click on Additional Effects and some options will open. Now you will see many important things, and the most important thing is the Base On option. In this option, you will see two things, is velocity and amount, and you have to select the amount. Scroll down a bit and turn on Motion Blur. You can set the value of Motion Blur as per your requirement, but I will leave it as default. Now turn on the exposure and keep the value at 0.20. It is up to you, so I can adjust how much exposure I want. Scroll up now, and set the speed value to 6.00. Now click on the amount and add a keyframe and set its value to 0, and place it on this side first. Now add another keyframe and set its value to 0, and place it on the last side like this. Now add a keyframe between the two clips like this and set its value to 1500. You can see how I've done it, so it might look a little different. Now it's time for the graph. Watch carefully how I make the graph. And your middle shake is ready. And one more thing, friends. Do you guys want a detailed video about the shake? I will explain to you guys what happens with which option. If you guys want, then comment, and I will try to get it.
And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.